See Lindelof videos simplifying exponents number 8. Maybe simplifying before you simplify might be a good idea sometimes. So what I've done is I've actually color coded this a little bit. And what I really want to take a look at is there anything in the numerator or the denominator that we can simplify before we move forward? And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at this piece down here. And I'm going to try to see if I can't simplify that. For example, we have 2 times 4 here, don't we? Well, that's 8. So I use 2 times 4. And then we have x to the negative 1 times x squared. So x to the negative 1 times x squared is equal to x to the negative 1 plus 2. That's a rule of exponentialism, which is just x, right? So there's that. I use this and I use this. Y times 8x is 8xy. I use that. Now we have this new problem, which I think is a lot more manageable. And we have 3x squared y squared. And I'm going to do this exact same thing I did there, but now I'm just going to take a look at this a little bit differently. I'm going to say I see this now as 3 different questions. Here's the first question. What is 3 over 8? The second question is what is x squared over x? And the last question is what is y squared over y? And I'm going to answer those things piece by piece. I'm going to take my time. Not trying to be sarcastic about it. However, 3 over 8 is 3 over 8. I don't want a decimal. I'm not interested in a decimal. These are cleaner for us mathematicians. Now I'm going to look at this question. What is x squared over x? Well, we know that the rule says that it's x to the 2 minus, this is x to the first, isn't it? So 2 minus 1, which is just x. So that gives us x over 1. If you ask me why I'm rationalizing, to be honest with you, I'm just trying to do it so it's visually an easier picture for me to see, frankly. And the last thing is the easy part, which is what is y squared over y? It's exactly the same way this works, which is just y over 1. And when I multiply, I love multiplying fractions because it's the easiest thing to do. You just multiply straight across, don't you? And when I multiply 3 times x times y, I get 3xy. And when I multiply 8 times 1 times 1, I just get 8. So there's my answer. All right, you guys. I hope this is helpful. We have to get rules of exponents. You have to be experts at it. You really do. There are some things I know that you learn in math, and you're like, man, will I ever use that again in higher math? And a lot of stuff you don't. But these are skills that you're really, really going to build on. So I hope I've been helpful in some way. Your comments are welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks.